Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, I'm the leader and founder of Chartbulls Trading. We're a group of day traders and investors who have come together to talk about commodities, stocks, crypto, all in a free chat room, which is the first link in the description. If that's something that interests you, come say hi to me and the 3,000 other people in there. So, in this video, I'm going to be recapping my XRP trade, my Ripple, and then also kind of going into what's made the momentum kind of shift a little bit on some new news and what that means going forward. So I closed this trade today. I opened it yesterday, so it's about a 24-hour trade. You can see here, so the red is my stop loss, the green was the actual trade. I entered at 79.89, had a stop loss at 80.50. It was a tight stop. But basically, I just wrote it all the way down. I could have taken profit a little better, but I did see that I wanted to write it down farther, but I saw some signs that we were about to get bullish on the 15-minute. You could see that the RSI dipped down really low. Market sentiment was overall very bearish, which typically means that we're going to get a little bit of boost. So I decided to close my trade there at 10.88% profit. I was 20x leverage, so I brought in like 215% on that trade in a 24-hour period. So great profit. The risk-reward ratio was 14.25, which is very high, and I'm proud of that trade. Now, obviously, the indicators were saying that this should be bullish, which is why I got out of the trade. The RSI again was low. You could see on the volume profile that we needed to kind of get back up to that median level. Market sentiment was red. But this did bounce a little higher than what would be considered normal on a move like this. You can see that we got all the way up to 22% gain. And so let's go and talk about why that happened. Obviously, there were some technicals, but big news today was that Coinbase announced that they were going to be increasing their altcoin offerings on the Coinbase platform. Ripple always boosts whenever anything Coinbase related comes on, and so a lot of people bought into that hype. A lot of other altcoins are also boosting, and so that is good for the crypto community to have Coinbase kind of bring in some alts onto their high trading platform. But let's talk about what that means going forward. So as far as my strategies go, nothing's going to be changing. I am a technical trader, so I'll watch the technicals and trade off of those, but it is good to know when fundamental news happens, right? So now that I know that Coinbase has been announced, I'm going to be looking to not necessarily ride rallies up, but short the rallies down. So when things get very overextended like this, they're bound to go down. So I mean, even landing a nice, this is a pretty basic short just off the top of that volume well. And if you're shorting it down, you're already at 5% profit. So a lot of people will be trying to buy into this hype when in actuality, you can trade it both ways and be smart about it. Nothing has technically changed yet. It's just news. So this is hype that's going to come back down. And as you can see, I mean, there's a sell-off right now. This could potentially fill all the way down. So we'll see what's going to happen there. But I just want to remind all of you that just because there's news doesn't mean anything actionable has happened yet. So don't buy into the hype. You need to short the hype. Shorting the hype is the way to make money in scenarios like this. So I hope you have a great rest of the day. I hope you learned something about trading on news. Don't buy the hype. Sell the hype. I mean, in this case, selling the hype means shorting down and then making money both ways. So I hope you have a great rest of the day. Come join me in the chat room and subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Peace.